Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to make and attach a holographic photo to your Opal squishy. If you'd like to see how I made this mesmerizing and ultra-realistic Opal squishy, check out my previous video. I'll leave a link to the tutorial in the description. Let's get started. I'm deciding which side of the Opal squishy to attach the photo since its shape is irregular and varies on both sides. To get the perfect fit, I'm using a small piece of acetate to trace the squishy's shape. This will be my template for cutting the photo to size. I've chosen a photo of one of my cats for this project. Here I'm checking how the shape aligns with the photo to make sure it fits well. To protect the photo, I'm using a sticky holographic foil paper. Now I'll laminate the photo with the sticky paper on both sides to seal and enhance it. Meet my boy Smudge. He's such a lovely cat and absolutely deserves to be featured on an Opal squishy. In one of my next videos, I'll show you how I make the Opal from epoxy resin, and you will see how realistic it is. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to see my future videos. Bye!